This block
can copy.
other structures.
Let me explain.
To get the block, go to the chat and type this.
Once you've done it,
It should be inside your inventory. Then build a structure. If your structure has complete, put the block next to the structure and then press the block and you'll see this.
these are the numbers
Of blocks. Change the numbers of the blocks to the size of your structure. After that, name the
structure before you.
Save it. Press save. After you've saved it, put another structure block in another area. Press once again and change the save button into load. Then type the name of your structure. Press load. And there you have it. With this block you can make your builds a lot more easier. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have fun building.